Yo, 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 yo. Today's another video, right? I've been getting a bunch of messages, of the kind of traffic sources to test. These all for some running. So today I'm going to go into all the traffic sources that are fantastic. And, I'm not going to go into too much details of how to use the traffic source, but I'm going to show you the amount of inventory they have. It's called Popads.net. Popads.net. So we're going to check out the inventory, right? So they have over 300 advertisers for the US. That's the biggest traffic they got. After that's India, Brazil, Italy, Vietnam, Spain, France, South Korea. What I'll tell people to do is you could try more of the non-English speaking countries, because the problem with like running ads in the US is there's too much competition, right? There's so many people out there that are running ads in the US. So it leads to so much competition, and it could be very crazy, right? So first of all, before I go any further, I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for entertainment, educational, and flex purposes, right? So those are the three reasons why I'm doing this video: education, entertainment, and flex, right? So I don't really call it what you want to call it. It's your problem, not mine. So anyway, I just want to drop as much knowledge as possible. This traffic source you're seeing here, I use it a lot. I use it a lot. So I'm gonna keep dropping nuggets every day. So it's up to you to connect the dots and win, right? So, well, first of all, let's check what happened yesterday. So yesterday, for those jerks out there, I'm going to refresh the screen. Refreshed, boom, just went up, right? So yesterday wasn't too much. I did only, shy of 800 on this platform. And I did probably some more on other platforms, right? So, so today, obviously, I'm going to do at least over $1,000. It's a couple of hours more to go. So there's so much hours to go. I'm going to do another video tomorrow. It's going to be over $1,000. That's just on this network, right? I got a bunch of other networks that I'm making way lot. So this account is just for training purpose. So I'm going to refresh one more time for those assholes who keep saying it's fake. We're going to keep refreshing it, refreshing. Go check your Max Bounty account and hit the refresh button. And if you see a difference, good. But anyway, I don't really care. I'm just here to help those who want to listen. So, you got to go out and get knowledge. You got to go out and listen. If you don't want to listen, it's your problem. It's your life. It's not my life. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna use my phone, right? Because I don't want to be showing people's information on Facebook. And I'm gonna go through the group and let's see what people are saying in the group, right? So, okay. So, see what other people are saying. Hello. Okay, people said hello. Well, vertical, like I said, my vertical is diet, weight loss, and native ads and pop traffic. Push, pop on top, pop under, pop in a new tab. I'll just advise you to go spend money out there, because this guy said, what vertical and paid traffic source do you recommend starting with? I'm like, start with Bing, right? Once you get some experience with Bing and you learn how to track the tokens, because that's the most important thing. Learn how to track the keywords, search term, if it's broad, exact, or phrase. You got to know how to scale those keywords up, find new keywords, block the keywords wasting money. You just have to go rough it out at the field, right? You know, at the battle zone. You know, it's war. This business is war, so you got to go out and battle it. But start with Bing. Once you get some experience, go into, you know, with Bing you can do email submits. If you find like a very good keyword, you know, you can make like 100 to 100% ROI. What's this one saying? Let's see. Who else? Let's see. Let's see what is. Can you help me create a Max Bounty account? I do not support creating a Max Bounty account for anybody. Go watch the video I made. Those are the tips. This is how I'm gonna be replying people, right? You know, this is the best way I could do it. I do not really reply on the group. I just make a video, so whoever follows the video could get your questions answered. If you don't want it that way, I'm a super busy person. Please share native ad sites. Okay, native ad sites you want to investigate and run traffic on. Content the ad, that's content.ad. Taboola, Rev Content, Outbrain, MGID. Those are the top ones I recommend. So I think that answers that question for that guy. Let's see what the question is here. It's probably someone I blocked. Let's see what the okay, it's probably blocked too. Let's see. How to promote CPA offers and where? Try Bing ads, man. You might want a direct link, you know, or use a landing page. Test both ways, see which one converts the most. My landing pages are converting at 80%. So sometimes I collect emails from a landing page, they opt in, the email goes to Aweber, the Aweber does a follow-up series, and you know, this follow-up series, you know, they get an email every day, after 12 hours. Which offer are you promoting and on which network? I just said it before, you know, just told you networks. Can you show some native ads Lander sample? Yeah, I did show some native ad Lander sample. Go to yesterday's video. You're gonna see what native ad Lander sample looks like. Let's see. We need support. Yeah, I understand, man. I'm giving the best I can. Everyone is not going to succeed in this business. That's just a fact. Everyone's not going to succeed, right? So, you just need to accept that. You know, the max is 5%. 5% are going to succeed. The rest is just going to, you know, it's just the way life is. Some people are up there, some people are down there. So who perseveres more, would come out more victorious. So I'm going to go into my inbox. My inbox has so many messages, man. I cannot reply my inbox messages. It's just too much. Let's see. Let's go to request. I don't think I've accepted anyone's request yet. Hello, hi. I said reply me. Okay. Bro, can you help me on Bing ads campaign? Okay, for Bing ads campaign, this guy is Mohammed from Egypt. Bing ads, there's so many free videos on YouTube on how to use Bing ads. Bing ads is not difficult. The problem is finding a successful keyword, because everyone is on Bing ads. Some people are running with coupons and vouchers, and there's just steep competition. So I do understand this a bit, but you want to learn the basics of Bing ads. How to set up accounts, how to create ads, and put the tracking tokens and pass it through volume or something. You must track your keywords. If you don't track your keywords, good luck. You're just wasting your time and your money. So what this guy says, I want accounts. That's none of my business. I don't discuss accounts. Thomas says hi. Thomas, hi. Let's see. Happy for your success, blah, blah. Okay, cool. Oh, this person works with Cash Network too. I'm going to talk about other ways of getting traffic, even on Facebook, right? Because Facebook has this program called ad breaks, right? And if you develop a page the right way, I've got big pages and Facebook ad breaks. I've made $250,000, over $250,000 in ad breaks. So I have some pages that are super viral. Sometimes I even post my CPA campaigns on the stories of those pages, right? So, it's W or traffic source, like I said it before. I saw your video on Facebook. Can you tell me more about this? Yeah, keep watching my videos. I need this training. Safayette. Safayette, I don't really offer training. I don't want to be called a scammer. It took me so much work to get to this level. I don't think most of you are ready to put in that work. It's going to be hard. This other guy says, I saw your video on Max Bounty Secret Group. I don't have Max Bounty accounts. I got ClickBank, Digistore. I want to learn how to make $500 a month. Some of these products, right? You want to do a review on YouTube, right? Go to YouTube, make a review about the product, recommend people to the product. You want to make like a review site and sell that way. I don't really do ClickBank, so I can't really advise. I'm gonna keep this under 13 minutes. So, which Max Bounty campaigns are converting well on Bing? Email submits, some weight loss, some diets. Yeah, diet weight loss. That's ketone. The CDB oil. The thing with Bing is you want to make a very good landing page and you want to collect emails, right? So, and the problem with native ads is most of them want like $500 deposits, but with the Popads, that I just showed you, they do not need high deposits. So you can start with as low as $20, $50 or something. But you wanna register for volume, right? I'm gonna recommend some products. I could drop a few affiliate links there. So if you sign up under me, and let me just refresh this and see if it's gone up. So after 12 minutes, let's see, 7:14, 7:17. So it keeps going up. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this up. I think I've answered much questions. I don't have much time. We're in lockdown, wave 2, lockdown 4. It's just crazy out here. So anyway, if you have more questions, don't come to my inbox, right? Because my inbox is full. I don't even, it goes into the spam. So most of these messages I'm reading from the spam. I can chat with most people. Over like 150 people send messages. If you're really desperate on getting some information, just follow up my videos. So because I see who's commenting, right? I see who's putting the comments. Follow my page, follow my group, and I'm gonna keep dropping some golden nuggets as time goes on. And all I can say is be safe, happy holidays, and God bless you guys. Just go keep testing. You have to take this business serious. I think I'll just wrap it up at this. Thanks very much. God bless.